But indeed, they are very dangerous. Now, keep in mind, this is a female alligator. You can tell by the attitude. That noise you hear, she's saying, I love you. It's my perception, my reality. Oh, you're already recording. Perfect. This is going to take about 3 days, sir, but you can watch the whole digestion breakdown. Here you go. So, to digest the food, they got to lay in the sun. They have these bones that go down the back, which are a built-in solar panel. Each one of those bones is porous with a blood vessel. They absorb heat so they can warm up the body. Trying to get warm enough to digest. Look at the tongue. Blah. Blah. So, in order to digest food, body temperature above 30 degrees Celsius. So, they want to be warm like us, they can overheat, so they have to regulate the body temperature. If they went underwater with the throat open, they drink too much water. Throat closed, catch a fish, head above the water, back of the throat open and swallow the food. The teeth are not used to chew, but to crush. She's so happy. So anyway, they are built for water, although she can run very fast. 10 to 12 miles per hour, short bursts. She's not running after me, she's not running after you. She might run after you with the red shirt on. Yeah. No, but they want to run to the water. Now in Florida, you may hear this because they teach it all the time, that if you get chased by the alligator, you should run zigzag. If you've ever heard this before, please don't ever do this. This is complete nonsense. They teach this to little kids. This is why Florida's so messed up. That's not chasing you on land anyway. So basically, if they run anywhere, they're trying to run to the water. Look that way so they can see you. And anyway, you can see the top of the head here. So nostrils, eyes, ear flap. It's a straight line right on top of the head. Underwater, pop the top of the head, they can smell, see, and hear everything going on. Smell a dead animal, 1.5 kilometers. They can hear fish jump in the water 100 meters. That can tell the difference between me and a dog walking. They can feel the vibrations. Look at the eyelids. So they blink. They got goggles built in. Nictitating membrane. And if they got bit in the head, the eyes would sink inside the skull. There you go. That way. That way. Go home. Go home. They have a small brain and a big mouth. Bad combination, simple purpose, balanced nature. Thank you for not biting me. You're so precious. Thank you so much. Applause for the alligator!